Hello friends, so in this video right now I'm going to show you how to large the text size or small the text size on Tecno mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down to display and brightness. So here it is. After that again you have to scroll down to here, you are going to find the font size option. So click on font size. So if you want to small the text size, here you have to scroll like this, the text size will be small. Okay, and if you want to enlarge, if you want to increase the text size, just scroll on the top and here the text size will be increased. Okay, and if you want to set medium, you can set the medium. You just click here like this. Okay, and the medium font size or text size will be applied successfully on your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.